Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you, how to add music to your Instagram stories and save them in Gallery. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Open Instagram. The first step is to make sure you have the Instagram app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it already, go ahead and download it from your app store. Step 2. Access your story camera. Once you have Instagram ready to go, open the app and swipe right to access your story camera. You can either take a new photo or video or choose an existing one from your camera roll. Step 3. Add music. Now it's time to add some music to your story. Here's how you do it. Tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a smiling face with a folded corner. Scroll down and select Music. You can search for your favorite song by title or artist, or you can browse through various categories. Once you've found the song you want, select it. You can then choose a specific part of the song by dragging the slider to the section you prefer. Step 4. Save to Gallery. Once you have added music, click on the top right 3 dots corner. After clicking, it will show you 2 options. Click on Save. It will take some time, and you can see that it is installed in Gallery. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to add music to your Instagram stories and save them to Gallery. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.